Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss chapter number 8, States of Matter. Let's start. We have learned in previous classes that anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. All objects are made of matter. Matter consists of tiny particles known as molecules. These molecules are so small that they cannot be seen with naked eyes. These molecules are further composed of very small particles called atoms. Atoms are the smallest unit of matter and therefore also known as the building blocks of matter. On the basis of arrangement of molecules in a substance, we can categorize substances into solid, liquid or gas. Let's study about them in detail. Aikoina mamangi class ta matter haibasi tamkre. Matter haibasi any object ni maduda arumba mass ka aduga magi jaga khara kallaba space khara kallaba adu itardi adugumba object tu matter ni haibasi aikoina khangkhre. Universe da lairiba object khodimaksi matter na loina sabani. Matter haibasi yamna pikpa tiny particles na sai madugi tiny particles suki maming aikoina molecules haina khangnai. Masigi molecules si asuki matik pikre pigman gidana aikoigi mitna naked eyes na uba ngamde. Molecules sing asi makata na amuk macha macha kaithabiyai small particles ta kaitharakpa matamda madugi yamna pikpa small particles suki maming amu aikoina atoms haina khangnai. Aduna molecules sai si makata na kaitharakpada atoms oina macha macha kaitharakpa yai. Atoms haisina matter gi kwaidagi pikpa smallest unit ni. Maram maduna atom sing si koina building blocks of matter haina khangne. Substance amada molecule sing si karam haina arrangement tauge haibadugi matungina substance si koina ahum thoktopa yai solid, liquid aduga gas. Makoi sing sigi maramda ekoi hena kopthana makhatana ekoi yengsi. Let's see the first one, solid. Solids have fixed shape and size. The reason behind this is that there is a strong force of attraction between the molecules of a solid. Due to this, the molecules are packed very close to each other. Solids may be hard, for example, stone, table, chair, etc., or they may be soft like paper, powder, cloth, etc. Solid haibasi makoi gi fixed shape and size lay. Solid haibasi aikoina manipurida mapangana haibasi ni. Solid sing na fixed shape aduga size lay bagi maram si molecule sing gi marakta yamna kanba force of attraction lay bagi ni. Masina maram moraga molecule sing si yamna nakna na giri giri inaraga makoi laymine pack tawi. Solid sing si kan mayai. Example in hairabada stone, table, chair makoi sing asi akan ba solid ke example ngaktani natragana makoi sing asi soft oi vi thot pai example in hairabada paper, powder, cloth asina ching sing asin. Masigi figure asi yengsi. This is the arrangement of molecules in solids. Masida sphere macha macha lairisi molecule amamam ni makoi gi molecule sing asi arrangement si yamna giri giri inana. They are very closely packed. Yam giri giri inana lay. Next, let's see liquid. Liquids do not have a fixed shape and size. They take the shape of the container in which they are poured or kept. Unlike solids, molecules in liquids are not very closely packed as they have less force of attraction between them. This results in free movement of molecules in a liquid. That is why liquids can flow easily. They have a fixed volume which can be measured also. Water, petrol, soft drink and milk are some liquids. Liquid kidi makoi ki fixed shape aduga size laijade. Makoi na yaururiba container, patra. Makoi na hapiba patra adugi matungina. Patra adugi shape lawi. Solid tadi molecule sing si closely packed oibadu masigi liquid ki matang sida di solid ki adumna closely packed oide makoi si less force of attraction oi molecule amagi marakta aduna maram moraga molecule sing si free movement tawba ngami lengthok lengchin irai laina ngami aduna maram moraga liquid sing asi irai laina chentha ngami bani makoi gi fixed volume lay volume asi ekoin on ba yai kayam yamna volume yami haibana chingba liquid ki example khara hairabada water petrol soft drink milk asina chingba singsin yengsi this is the arrangement of molecules in liquids masida blue gi sphere mayamam laisi liquid ki molecules ni makoi si lapnai amaga amta thengade maram maduna makoi si free movement tawbiyai aduna maram moraga liquid si flow tawba ngami bani. Let's see the next one. Gas. Gases do not have any shape or size. The molecules in gases are very loosely packed as compared to solids and liquids because there is almost negligible force of attraction between the molecules, so they move freely in all directions and fill the entire space available to them. Unlike solids and liquids, gases cannot be seen. We can only feel them. Our atmosphere is also made up of different gases like nitrogen and oxygen. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are two important gases necessary for the survival of life on the earth. Gases ki di makoi gi shape natraga size laijade. Gases ki molecules sing si yamna loosely packed oina lay. Solid ka liquid ka da molecules sing si gi marakta force of attraction lairiba aduga compare tawu matamda di gases ki molecule dana yamna hanthai. Gases ki molecules sing na force of attraction lairiba si almost negligible ni yaw dabagumani aduna maram moraga gases ki molecules sing si direction khudimakta yamna free oina lengthok lengchin ngami aduga makoina fangiba entire space asi gases molecules sing na sandokpa ngami. Solid ka liquid ka sidi aikoi gi mitna ui adubu gases ti aikoi na uba ngamde aikoi na gases si fill tawbada ngami aikoi da isada thengpa matamda gases lay adu khaktang na aikoi na khangni si aikoi gi atmosphere si tongan ba gases mayamna punjalaga semakpani example oina harabada nitrogen oxygen asina chingba kyamaram laikra oxygen ga carbon dioxide ka hairiba gas makal ani asi prithivida life survival gidamakta yamna maru oiba gases ani. This is the arrangement of molecules in gases. Masida green machu gi sphere lay si gases molecule ni makoi si yam lap na lay aduga masina balloon ni balloon gi everywhere part khodimak si space khodimak si gases molecule na sandui. Let's see the term negligible. It refers to the quantities so small that they can be ignored or neglected. Negligible haiba term asi quantity amani karamba quantity yamna pikman givna maram moraga aikoina sungkan khanadraba yaraba adugumba quantity amani. Next, let's see solubility of substances in water. Solubility of the substance is its property to dissolve in some other substance to form a mixture of uniform nature. The substance which gets dissolved is called solute, while the other substance in which the solute gets dissolved is called solvent. The resulting uniform mixture is called solution. Water is a very good solvent. Most of the substances readily dissolve in water. That is why it is also known as the universal solvent. Let's gather some more information on solubility of different substances in water. Isingda substance amagi solubility haibasi karino yengsi. Substance amagi solubility haibasi substance gi property amakakni karamba property no haibada substance aduna atokpa substance amada tummaga yawkhraga uniform nature gi mixture ma sembang amagadi madugumba substance to gi property adu wo ikoina solubility haina khangnai tummaga yauriba substance adu wo ikoina solid kawi aduga kanada tummino hairiba substance adu buna ikoina solvent kawi aduga uniform mixture shama aw kandana madugi resulting uniform mixture aduna ikoina solution kawi se example oina hairabada nakoina hen understand tawnaba ikoina ising glass ama laurasi ising glass ida ikoina thum chamasama hapaga ikoina okhairasi adu oiba taragadi thumsi isingda tumdorini aduna tungribasi thumni adu oiba taragadi thumsi solute tarani aduga thumsina isingda tummibani aduna isingsina solvent oirani thumsi isingsida tungba loigraba matungda thumi chelaba uniform mixture ama aikoina fange thum yauraba ising okhaiba loiraba matungda madugumba mixture adu aikoina solution haina khangne aduna ising asi yamna afaba makalgi solvent amani substance ayambasi isingda loina tummi maram aduna isingsi water se aikoina universal solvent haina su khangne tongan tongan ba substance ki solubility gi maramda aikoi makata na mo yengse solubility of solids in water. The most common examples of solids that dissolve in water are salt and sugar. But not all solids dissolve in water. Solids like sand particles and chalk powder settle down at the bottom of the container. Isingda yamna common noina tumbangamba solid ki example ani hairabadi salt ka sugar ga thumga chini ga sini isingda solid khodimaksi tumbangamdaba solid ki example khara hairabada lengoi particles sing sand particles sing aduga chok makup makoi sing asi isinga tumbangamde isingda ikoina hapchanba matamda patra dugi bottom makai thang bada phamdaraga leiki. Let's see the bingo's activity time. Take some solids like wheat, flour, turmeric powder, chalk powder, coffee powder, etc. You can add more items to your list. Dissolve each of them in water separately and see whether they are soluble or insoluble in water. Note down your observations in a table and then discuss with your partner. Masiki bingo's activity time masida aikoina tawdoribasi solids khara laurani example loina wheat, flour, turmeric powder, chalk powder, coffee powder asina chinba atopa items na koina apamba mayam kharaga su koina loba yare makoi sing asi isingda hapsalaga ikoina okhaiba matamda soluble oibra insoluble oibra haibadi tumbangambra natragana tumbangamdabra haibasi ikoina yengba yai isingduda item sing asi amungtangda pulap hapkadaba nate tongan tongana yan hamba first ta wheat se hapani aduga okhairani tumbangambra yengani record tu tumbangamaga soluble lana hairani wheat haraga soluble aduga wheat insoluble nakoina tumbangami ngamne haibugi matungina tongan tongana table mayam semdu wheat oiraba matungda isingdo haidokraga atopa ising amada mu flour se mu hapo aduga tumbangami ngamde asumna tongan tongan bana koina lauriba items sing asi soluble oil natraga soluble oil de haibadu matungina table ama semdoga nakoina record toksalo aduga nakoi partner singa nakoi discuss tawnaro. Next, let's see solubility of liquids in water. Most of the liquids dissolve easily in water. We can observe this by performing a simple activity. Take a mug of water and put a few drops of ink in it. We will notice that the ink dissolves quickly and the water becomes colored. Similarly, fruit juices, milk, etc. are soluble in water. Examples of liquids that are insoluble in water include petrol, kerosene, oil, butter, etc. Isingda soluble oiba tumbangamba liquid ki maramda ikoi khara yengsi. Liquid ayambasi isingda tumbangami isingda tumba ngambagi observation asi icham chamna aikoina activity cham chamba activity amada aikoi yengba yai ising yauba mak ama ahambada nakoina lawro madugi maktuda nakoina ing drops khara hapsallo ing si hek hapsanba matamda ing si ising sida tumba chakhaira aga dissolve tawba nakoina urangani aduga ising si ing tugi machu olamani aduga atopa liquid khara fruit juice milk asina chingbasing asi ekoina isingda hapchalaga yengba matamda masida su chap manana makoi sing asi chakhai graga dissolve tawba ekoina thengnarangani makoi sing asi water da soluble oiba nakta oibana maram moraga makoi si ngambani isingda dissolve tawba ngamdaba insoluble oiba liquid ki example khara hairabada petrol kerosene oil butter makoi sing asi isingda tumba ngamde makoi sing asi ekoina isingda karigumba thadaragadi matakta tauraga leiba nakoi thengnarangani tongan tongan na ising gi layer ama petrol gi layer ama tongan tongan na leiba nakoi urangani aduna makoi si ising sida dissolve tawba ngamdabagini so they are insoluble in water. Let's see the bingo teaser. What happens when oil is poured in a vessel containing water? Ising yauba patra amada aikoina oil si thadaragadi kari tawgadagi haibani hawjikta aikoina discuss tawkhibaduni ising yauba patra da aikoina oil si thadaba taragadi oil si ising dugi kwai mathak ithang thangba layer da oil gi layer ama semni aduga manungdana ising leini aduna layer ani thoga leigani. Let's see bingo's knowledge bank. The liquids which dissolve completely in water are said to be miscible in water. Similarly, the liquids which do not dissolve in water are said to be immiscible in water. Isingda completely tumbangamba liquid chibu aikoina miscible in water hana aikoina khangnagani aduga isingda tumbangamdaba liquid sing asibu aikoina immiscible in water haina khangnagani. Next, let's see solubility of gases in water. Isingda gases sing tumbangambagi chang asi ko yengsi. Carbonated drinks are the best example to show solubility of gases in water. In these drinks, carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under pressure. If you sack and open a bottle of soda or any other aerated drink, you will see this gas coming out in the form of bubbles. This happens because the pressure under which the gas was dissolved in water decreases on opening the bottle and it releases out in the form of bubbles. Besides carbon dioxide, other gases like oxygen, nitrogen, etc. are also soluble in water. Aquatic animals breathe in oxygen that is dissolved in water and hence are able to survive inside the water. Isingda soluble oiba ngamba gas ki kwaidagi best oiba example hairagadi carbonated drinks asini. Carbonated drinks ke example akoina hairabada Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up sigumba drinks sing asini carbonated drinks hairibasi. Carbonated drinks asida ising manungda carbon dioxide si pressure ga loinana hapaga yauribani masigi carbonated drinks ki patra asi kokta asi natrag likli asi aikoina yamna kanna ni aba matungda bottle gi makhum asi aikoina hangdokpa matamda bubbles ki mawongda gas mayam ama tholakpa nakoina urangani masi bottle dugi manungda yauramba yamna kanba pressure adu hantha kraba matungda bubbles oina tholakpani masigi carbonated drinks da carbon dioxide si isingda dissolve tawba ngami haibase ekoina khangkhre carbon dioxide asida natana atopa gases example oina harabada oxygen nitrogen asina chingbasing asisu isingda dissolve tawraga yawba ngami tummaga yawba ngami koising asi soluble in water ngaktani ising manungda dissolve tawraga yawba oxygen singsina ising manungda laiba sa sing aquatic animals singna sor honbada sijinai maram aduna ising manungda sa sing asina hingba ngammi bani. Let's see the bingo's knowledge bank. Carbonated drinks are the aerated drinks like colas and drinking soda. Carbonated drinks haibasi colas aduga drinking soda gumba aerated drinks ngatani. Bingo's teacher, name any 5 popular aerated drinks. Yamna popular oiba aerated drinks ki example mga nakoy na hayo haibani. Popular oiba aerated drinks ki example khara hairabada Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, Sprite, Mountain Dew, asinachingba nakoy na apamba mga adum iba yare. Let's see the bingo challenge. What happens if a bottle of an aerated drink is left open for some time? Discuss why. Aerated drinks singsi akoy na makum hangdoga matam khara thamba taragadi aerated drinks asida dissolve tawraga yauramba under pressure da yauramba carbon dioxide sing asi loina thokrani maram aduna aerated drinks ki phase asi mangani. Phase haibadi bubbles tholakpa aduga makoina bubbles se tholakpa matamda sound ama hissing sound ama produce tawbadu madu mangkrani.